Hello everyone. This question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of decimal. This is second question of its exercise 8.5. So the question says that Rashid spent rupees 35.75 for maths book and rupees 32.60 for science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. So cost of maths book is equal to 35.75 and cost of science book is equal to 32.60. So हमें फाइंड आउट करना है टोटल अमाउंट स्पेंड बाय राशि. हो जाएगा टोटल अमाउंट स्पेंट बाय राशि इज इक्वल टू, ये हमारा हो जाएगा इनका सम. हो जाएगा 5 6 + 7 13. So 1 carry, 5 + 1 6 7 8 and 3 and 3 6. So जाएगा 68.35 rupees. So 68.35 rupees spent by Rashid. Thank you.